from MarineMax in Fort Myers. I want to tell you about my newest listing. It's a 2019 27 Dauntless. She's only got 32 hours, kept under a covered lift, which absolutely preserves the boat. She's got a 350 Verado. Boat's beautiful. Boat is very comfortable. Nice walk around space, lots of seating. It's basically a deck boat that you can fish out of. And this has the optional blue gel coat underneath the hardtop to match the hull side. Boat. Lounge, lounge, lounge. We've got two big sun loungers, storage underneath, and an amazing sun pad here. Two people can sit, armrests, and then the ultimate storage area. Lawn chairs, floaty toys, fishing poles, fishing gear, you name it, you can keep it under there. So we've got a head compartment, and this is a porta potty with a pump out, and it's tall. I'm almost 6 foot, and I've got more than enough room in there, and our battery switch is conveniently located inside here out of the weather. I've got two favorite options on a 27 Dauntless, and that's this awesome Helm seat. Very comfortable, and nice footrest, and you're tall enough to be able to see over the console. This boat, we've got a 12-inch Raymarine Axiom with the Verado, digital shift and throttle, digital hydraulic steering, trim tabs right there. This boat only has 33 hours on it. And phone chargers and fusion stereo and the convenient cup holder. Standing here on the back of the boat, and we've got a very comfortable transom seat with a wide bottom and a real tall back. Underneath that, we've got storage. And the cool thing about this boat is you've got a separate walkway that you can get on and off the boat. Freshwater shower. Over here we've got a optional live well, a nice deep sink, and underneath a Yeti cooler. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this new listing 2019 27 Dauntless with a single 350 Verado. I'm Brian Kemmis from MarineMax in Fort Myers. Any questions at all, please give me a call on my cell, 239-222-5907.